Hi! Huzzah! My name is Crow the Songbird. I am going to be singing you some things. This is my lovely, beautiful, magnificent assistant magpie. Say anything. I don't know, I didn't tell you to say it. Where'd my pickle juice go? Oh, there it is.
Right behind you where I put it. Hello, friends.
And this is a new addition to the team. Where are you? There you are. This is Song the Crowbird.
Yes. We are expanding our flock.
Yes. Come join the flock or something. What was
Precisely.
you said?
Oh, I made a good joke earlier. You just have to trust me.
You have to trust us.
You have to trust me.
This is not the greatest joke in the world. However, this is in fact a tribute. Anyways, I should start tuning.
That's beautiful. This is our first number.
Clap, yes, wasn't that wonderful? That one was called tuning.
It's an original.
Absolutely, 100%. Nobody has ever sung that song the way that I have done it just now in their entire lives, including myself. I didn't even practice that one. We are going to be starting off with a song called Come Out Ye Black and Tans. It is a lovely one, it is a good one. It is a song about fighting against the English, because who doesn't love fighting against the English? I mean, really, every country or continent or group of individuals on this planet can get together and say, hey, at some point the English have screwed us over, we're gonna fight back against them, right? Unless you are the English, they probably had a civil war or something. I bet some of thee would not have been expecting that I, a man standing here pretending to dress and talk as if he was an English peasant, would tell thee to go fight against the English, but you know what? Some of thee know that I am playing a character right now. Anyways, come out ye black and tan. What? What? I was born in a Dublin street where the royal drums do beat, and the loving English feet walked all over us. And each and every night, well, me dad would come home tight. He'd invite the neighbors out with his chorus. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wives how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and the lovely lanes of Gilashanga. Come tell us how you slew them old Arabs 2 by 2. Like the Zulus, they had spears and bows and arrows. How you slew each one with your 16-pounder gun, and you threatened them for natives to the marrows. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wives how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and the lovely lanes of Gilashanga. Come let us hear you tell how you slew the great Parnell, how you fought them well and truly persecuted. Where are those sneers and jeers that you proudly let us hear when our heroes of 16 were executed? Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wives how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and the lovely lanes of Gilashanga. Please come and sit down. We're not going to execute you, I swear. Oh, the day is coming fast, and the time is here at last, where the showmen will be cast aside before us. And if there be a need, oh sure, my sons will sing Godspeed with a verse or two of Stephen Bean's chorus. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wives how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell them how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and the lovely hills of Gilashanga. Come out, you black and tans, fight me like a man. Show your wives how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell them how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and the lovely lanes of Gilashanga. From the green and the lovely lanes of Gilashanga. From the green and